What am I supposed to do with that? Loctitane. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, so Allure has been on it because I got both of my boxes within a reasonable amount of time. Now this one is the box for January. I'm actually very excited for it because I hear there's a lot of good skincare in this box. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been using my old lady cream. I have been using it even though it makes me smell like older lady. It actually feels pretty good on my skin. I'm not even gonna hold you. Now, I don't know if it's $93 good, but it does feel really good on my skin. So I have been using it, okay? I've been putting a little bit on, a little bit at a time. Don't wanna go through it too fast. I do wanna try this today, this Pixie, which I got in the last box. So I brought that up just in case. You know, I'm naked mole rat, so today we're doing like skincare products because I think that's really what's in here. Hopefully all the stuff don't fall out. So this is what we're looking like today. This is what we're looking like today. I believe it's the same message in the box every single time. We got a little thingy, and I think this says exactly like how much everything costs. We'll look at that later. Another thing for the men's box. I'm still trying to debate whether or not I want to get just in the men's box because he did tell me that he wouldn't really use the things, but then he also said that if I bought it, he would use it. So I don't know. I'm in a pickle. I want to get it for him though. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully. I got my little Bella cup. T-Mobile Tuesdays, they get you all sorts of deals where you can get cool stuff like this for super cheap. When you actually open it up, you can see all the little products that are in there. Y'all, if I complained about that hair mask last time, looking back, I really shouldn't have been complaining because this is another hair mask, but it's in like a little packet. Now I know for sure this is not coating half of my hair. This is a deeply conditioning, hydrating, and softening hair mask by, I don't know who this is by. I don't know who this is by. It says it right there, but how do you read that? Eva NYC? Is that an A? I don't know if that's an A. It looked like an A. The packaging is really cool. I like the color of it. It feels really like, I don't know, it just feels nice. It's not like a cheap foil packet. It's just like a nice one. It has no sulfates, parabens, or phthalates. I don't know what that word is. Ooh, and it's got argan oil in it. I remember I had this one argan oil shampoo. It did not suds up at all, but every single time I washed my hair with that, my hair felt so freaking soft. This ain't coating all my strands. I know for a fact this ain't coating all my strands. I'm gonna just have to choose a section that I want this to work on and go from there. This is so tiny. Look how little teeny tiny this is. This is just like itty bitty. What is this supposed to do? It is Egyptian Magic all-purpose skin cream. 100% natural balm with honey, olive oil to hydrate and nourish lips, face, and body. Okay, unless you that little chick from Gen V from The Boys, you're not doing this all over your body. You just not. This is so itty bitty little. At least it doesn't have like a fake bottom. Let me see what this smells like. Now I'll probably use this on my lips. Y'all see in the last video, I got some little crusties on my lips and I've been trying to exfoliate them, but it's not exfoliating quick enough. Okay, so it's a little pot there, a little bit right there. It does not have a scent. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my lips. It feels like Vaseline. Don't tell me this is just some Vaseline. They just called it Egypt Magic. Next, I hate when they put the words like in this way because then it's hard for me to read. I need my words in a straight line. Don't break it up into little sections. Dermalect. This is a base coat for gel acrylic damage repair. I could actually use this because when I get like the little false nails on my fingers, they always just leave my natural nail feeling so icky. It's cruelty free. Okay, made in the USA. And it's just a little nail polish. I could use it or I could pass this along to my homie that does nails. I'll probably do that and then she could just use it on me when I get my nails done. For that reason, I'm not gonna open it outside of taking it out the box. My first little gift. Actually, no, second gift. I did give that rose water spray to my sister-in-law. She was looking for some rose water spritz. I got some rose water spritz, so I passed that along to her. Hold up. You've gotta be kidding me. Okay, so I held this up to the light and the product is all the way down here. The product is all the way down here. Ain't nothing but a squirt wig in here. What am I supposed to do with that? L'Occitane. If you're gonna do this much of product, just put it in a foil packet, okay? Stop trying to fake us out with a little squeezy tube, thinking we're gonna get this full thing full of squeezy tube, and it's just literally down to here of youth cream? Like, okay, I'm not gonna see no results with one use, okay? This might as well have been in a foil packet. Take just the ittiest bittiest little bit out because there's not much in here. It has like a very perfumey smell. Now, honestly, I don't really like when skincare or makeup have like a very perfumey smell because it's like not everyone likes those scents. Now, where exactly am I supposed to rub this? It's all in French. Oh, apply morning and evening. It does have it in English. I got so sidetracked by seeing all the French that I didn't even see the English that was right in front of my face. It doesn't say where to apply it. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just put a little bit underneath my eyes. Maybe this is where it's supposed to go. And watch, that's gonna cost like $84. The next thing in here is it ROC or ROC? Roxy? It's definitely not Roxy. This is multi-correction hydrate and plump serum capsules. I guess the capsules are supposed to protect it from like the sunlight and things like that because it really messes up your serums. Proven results, okay? Proven by who though? 100% had visibly plumper skin in one night. 100% had visibly reduced wrinkles and fine lines in 1 week. 91 had firmer looking skin. 90 said this product delivered results better than they expected from skincare. It doesn't show you or give you a link to the studies, so I mean they could technically put that on everything. Gently twist and open the capsule. Smooth serum over cleansed face and neck at night when skin is most receptive for hydration and renewal. Okay, I will be trying this on tonight. Look at these little capsules, they're so cute. This is what the product's looking like. It's super cute. It looks like it goes with my old lady cream. Okay, I got a little collection going here. 30 different capsules, so this will last about a month. Ooh, so squishy. I don't know if one of these capsules has enough serum for like your whole face and neck. Maybe it just spreads out really good. I don't know, we'll see. I'll keep y'all posted on how I like this. If I feel like my skin is plumper. I mean, I don't really have too many like wrinkles or aging things going on with my skin. I mostly have like hyperpigmentation and scarring from acne. That's really where my issues come from. So I don't really have any aging concerns. Maybe it'll just give me an experience, okay? Because I'm not above paying for something just to have an experience. I might get something that ain't gonna do a damn thing to my face, but the whole experience of putting it on and relaxing is nice. So I will pay for that. Just like one time I went to an oxygen bar. I don't know what they were doing. I don't know what, but it was an experience. So I'm willing to pay for experiences. The next thing in here, Elta MD Skincare. UV Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Tinted Face Sunscreen. I've never had a tinted sunscreen. I've only ever used the ones that make you look like a ghost. I do believe that Black people need to wear sunscreen. I know that that is a hot take. We still feel the effects of the sun, even if it doesn't really show up on our skin like that. This is what it's looking like. That color might just be my color. See how this looks. If it'll come out. Is it gonna come out? That took a lot more than I thought it was gonna take. Let's just see. Oh wow, I put a little too much on there. I don't see what the purpose is for a tinted moisturizer. I don't get it. Like, am I supposed to put this on instead of makeup or just under makeup? Maybe this is so that I don't feel like I'm a ghost if I want to put this on and not have to put on any makeup. Doesn't feel sticky or like heavy or icky. And last but certainly not least, I think this was like the major product that everyone was super excited about. Milk Cosmetics. This is the Hydro Grip Refresh Spray, Grip Spray Fixant, Refreshissance. This is French? It looks French, it sounds French. If I'm saying it right, it sounds French. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, I've seen beauty influencers use this, especially when I was in China learning how to do makeup. I never got this one. When you're buying makeup products in China, a lot of the times the stuff you're buying are dupes, they're fakes, masquerading as the real thing. Even if I were to have bought this in China, I probably wouldn't have gotten the actual Milk Cosmetic like brand. It would have said milk on it. It would have looked exactly like this, but it wouldn't have been exactly this product. Now, hopefully this does a fine mist and not the little water droplets that I was getting from the rose water that we saw in the last box. Okay, yeah. Oh, I think I got some in my mouth. That don't taste good. It's not meant to taste good. It's not a fine mist, but it is a mist. I have to try this on with actual makeup on and see if it holds the makeup in place, if it really sets it and melts it into the skin. That is everything that was in the box. This Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting and Refresh Spray, it's full size, and this retails for $38 for 3.38 fluid ounces. $38 is a lot. It's a lot. I mean, you get a decent amount. This will last a long time. If it does well, if it performs well, then it'll be worth the $38. The next product is the Elta MD UV Daily Tinted SPF 40. This one is also full size, and it is also $38 for 1.7 ounces. I don't know if you get me for $38. I'm gonna have to try it out. The price isn't so crazy. It's not like $85, $120. Like, it's not a crazy amount. The next product is Rock Skincare or ROC. I don't know. Skincare Hydrate Plump Serum Capsules. This one is also full size, and it is $32.99. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting this to be like $80 because once I saw that this was $93, I just assumed anything with a nice little cap and little thing like this was gonna be like at least $70 plus. If you did want this and you liked it and it actually did something good to your skin, it's not gonna take an arm and a leg to buy this little product. All right, next, Dermalect Transfix Nail Restore and Repair Base Coat. This one is also full size, and this one is $18. Okay, I mean, if it repairs, then it'll be worth the money. I'll find that out once my homegirl gets it and uses it on my nails, because I'm not painting my own nails. I'm just not gonna do it. Nope. Now this L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cream for 1.7 ounces, and this one is 0.14 ounces. For 1.7 ounces, you looking at $115. That is wild. That is highway robbery. I'm not buying that. I'm just not, especially since for your little sample size, you're gonna give me this faked out tube and only fill it up to here. No, you're not taking my money. I will gladly go to Bath and Body Works and get me a cream and just rub that on my face instead. No, thank you. The next thing is this Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Cream. Now, this one is $39 for 4 ounces, but they only gave us 0.25 ounces in our little box. $39, I don't know exactly how big 4 ounces looks like. Let me see something. This is 1 fluid ounce. 4 times this, that's actually a decent size. That's actually a decent size. And I mean, you don't really need that much of it. I mean, if you're rubbing it all over your body, then you might need a lot. But if you're just using it as like a lip balm or a lip mask, if it makes my lips real soft and it takes away the crust and the dust, then they might get me for $39 for a 4 ounce, because that would last a very long time. Eva, okay, so it is an A. It is an A. I see it in the paper. They spell it the correct way on here. So it is Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. Oh, this is just a little bonus, and this is $16 for 500 milliliters, and they give us 20 milliliters in here. I'm sorry, bruh, if this product is only $16, they could have gave us a decent amount for our entire head. I mean, like I said, I'm gonna put this on the roughest part of my hair and see what happens. But y'all, those are the prices. We're not gagging as hard because everything else seems a little bit more reasonable except for this. This is no thank you. It stank and you get this much. So I'm good on that one. I am gonna use some of these things. I'm gonna put some of this Pixie from the last box on my face and see how it makes me feel. I'm gonna do like the Instagram people. Oh my God, I might have put too much. Wait, is this about to make my skin super pink? I look a little pink, but it's all good. I'm about to put on that tinted sunscreen and fix this if I look a little pink. Okay, this a little cute. Okay, it look a little cute. A little sun kiss. Okay. I'm rubbing this in my neck. Gotta make the neck match. Okay. Not really seeing much of a tint, but maybe that's the point. Not to be Casper the Friendly Ghost. So I actually like this one. It was nice. So we got a little something going on there, and then we're gonna set it down with this spray. Make sure I didn't open my mouth that time. I mean, this box is okay. It's not as exciting as the last one. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe and become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.